I hope you are feeling mesmerizing today, and you should definitely, because the way English language paper you have given, it's quite easy paper, as I feel. Even why, yes, it's a quite easy paper, because if you will be getting 10 to 11 number of PYQs, right, 10 to 11 number of PYQs in a grammar section which you have got. And thank you very much to all the students, while the way you have completely filled up all my WhatsApp, Telegram, even Gmail, right? And even I want to thank you. Do not thank me that, sir, you have said regarding PYQs, workbooks, from that only the question comes. Do not thank me. I should be thankful to you all people, because if you are there, then only all is yours exist. And I can proudly say, nothing is mine, everything is yours. That's the reason the platform name is All Is Yours. Yes, let's stick to the topic. In English language, 10 to 11 number of PYQs was there, and 4 to 5 questions were from workbook. 4 to 5 questions was from workbook, children. 4 to 5 questions was from workbook, right? And as I say in every videos, the textbook is a Bible. 10 के 11 number, and it is all about a grammar section I am talking about. It is all about a grammar section, right? My dear child, if you want to secure the same full marks or the marks more than you expect, the first thing, the first most thing which you need to do in English literature, that you need to read summary. You need to read the summary. Summary is very important. See, you don't have much time within your hand. Only approximately 12 hours left, in which you will be sleeping. 12 to 14 hours left, in which you will be taking rest. So overall, if you will calculate the study hour, near about 4 to 5 hours you will be getting. And in the 4 to 5 hours, you cannot read everything entire, but one thing you can complete, that is a summary, Babu. My dear most children, you can read the summary. My children, please go ahead of the summary, right? Go ahead of all the summaries. Even if the MOV Merchant of Venice का भी summary में जाओ, right? After completing the summary, what you need to do, that is PYQs. Again, I am saying the PYQs, because PYQs is something, 2019 के बच्चे भी तो एग्जाम दिए थे ना, वो भी PYQs पढ़कर गए थे, उनका भी PYQs में लगा है. The same thing, PYQs, what do you mean by previous year question? It means that there is having a recycle of the question. जो क्वेश्चन 2013 में आया था, वो क्वेश्चन 2021 में आया हुआ है, राइट? जो क्वेश्चन 12 में आया था, वो 17 में आया हुआ है, 12 में आया था, यहाँ पर भी आया हुआ है. That is a PYQs. Again, I am saying, my dear most students, you have to go for the PYQs. Yes, you may not get the direct question, but comparison question तो मिल ही जाएगा, right? PYQs is very important. First, you need to study summary of the poem. Summary पढ़ लो. Everything you have read with a note of nothing. अगर एक बच्चा कोई पढ़ा ही नहीं होगा तो क्या कर सकता है? If you have read everything you have read, first you need to recall yourself, recap yourself. You need to revise yourself. Summary is the best medicine to revise yourself. Then after PYQs करो. उसके बाद क्या करना है ना? Questions. School का क्वेश्चन पेपर, स्कूल क्वेश्चन पेपर. वाई स्कूल क्वेश्चन पेपर्स? Because there you can analyze. Why I have said about a school question paper? That is having another logic, beta. In every video, every another logic is there, right? अरे किसी का सर में दर्द होता है तो मेडिसिन अलग होता है, किसी पे पेट में दर्द होता है तो मेडिसिन अलग होता है, right? So similarly in the English language, the strategy was different. The English literature, the strategy will be different, and in the mathematics, history, the strategy will be completely different. School paper, question paper. Why I am saying, children, see, if you are having school question paper, or if you are having any kind of question paper within yourself, because you are the best teacher of yourself, you know where you have done mistake, you know where you are. Suppose एक बच्चों का यहाँ suppose one boy or a girl, उसको poem में, right, poem में उसका गड़बड़ है, then he or she can analyze the poem section. Why I am saying about a school question paper? Because school question paper, if you will follow those, you can understand, अच्छा यहाँ पर मैं गलती क्या था, then you can rectify your mistake. Rectifying his mistake is very good sign of a good student. मिस्टेक करोगे, it's no use. Rectifying the mistake, do mistakes, it's good, but rectifying the mistake is one of the good characteristics of good students, right? School question paper. At the end, any two sample paper लगाओ, any two sample papers. right? My dear most children, any two sample papers you're gonna put it down, and after doing this much, first is summary, second is PYQs. You have to go on reading PYQ 2010 से 2021 तक. 21 का तो आया नहीं है, 20 तक करना है PYQs. Then after you're gonna do school questions paper or any other school question paper if you are having. Then after 2 sample paper you have to do. When you will be appearing exam, always start the doing from last. ये बराबर लास्ट से क्या करो. English literature is something you have to do from the last, and English literature is one of the finest paper which you will be giving. English literature will be very easy for you. Trust me, the way language was easy, in the same way literature will be easy. बस you have to go from the last से ठीक ठीक करके आओगे, पहला सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. Moral of the story, tick 1 number, summary, second PYQs, third school question paper rectifying, fourth any 2 sample paper लगाना, any 2. If you have time, if you don't have time, 1. That is enough strategy for you all. Don't take tension regarding school, regarding exam time. Make yourself relax as much as possible, because whatever the strategy I am sharing, I have done the same wrong strategy, right? So I have learned from it, then only I am applying near you. So thank you very much. I hope the session is really wonderful, and thank you very much for showing a lots of love and affection from the past 3 to 4 videos. I will always remain down towards earth in front of you all people. So coming stronger in the next history civics session. Till then, keep learning, keep your parents proud. Thank you very much.